Welcome to Excel Speedrun episode 14. In this video, we are going to learn add developer tabs and add insert control in Excel. Now let us see what is a developer tab. The developer tab is a feature included in Microsoft Excel and is usually hidden by default. The tab allows users to create VBA application, design forms, create macros, import and export XLM data, etc. The developer tab must be enabled from the options section in the file menu in order to appear on the toolbar of the Excel window. There are many methods of having a developer tab in your menu bar. One of the most easiest is right click on the menu bar, click on customize the ribbon, then you get options. In that options, select the developer tab. In total, there are background removal, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, developer, review, view, add-ins and help. Most of the time, Excel does not select the developer tab, but if you want it, you can add the developer tab and click on OK. The new developer tab will be added in the menu bar. The developer tab consists of 4 tabs, namely code, containing the Visual Basic and macros, add-ins, then controls where we can insert controls, and then XML where we can import and export the tables. This is all that is there in the developer tab. Moving on, we are going to learn what kind of insert controls we can add. Insert controls are used to insert control features in a document. Insert control has many. The first one is the button. Button is a clickable box in Excel. Once you click a button, a macros you want gets run. Now let us see how to add button in Excel. Here we have a Excel sheet. Add the button, go to the insert and select the first option, button, and then drag the button, then click on OK, or if you want to insert any macro, click on the macros list, then you can insert the macros. Since we are going to learn how to add macros to the button in later videos, let us keep all it is for now and then click on OK. A new button will get formed. So now the macro is not available in this workbook or is disabled. Since there is no macros in this workbook, you can also edit it using assign macro and format control. Under the format control, you can select font, alignment, margin size, protection and alternate text. In alternative text, you can write anything you want instead of button. For example, click on OK. In this way, the button will be named as click button. The next we are going to learn on the list is the checkbox. When you make lists in Excel, you often add a checkbox. Checkbox on which if you click, you can tick or cross the box. Let us see how does this work in Excel. It is one of the by far most easiest and the interesting one to learn. Go to the inserts and click on the button with a tick sign, checkbox. Now drag it and then you can edit it however you want. For example, if I edit the text, I can edit it as bills to be paid. And now we have a checkbox named bills to be paid. If we click on the button, the cells will get activated and vice versa. You can also rearrange it or increase or decrease the size. This is how to add the checkbox in Excel. Following, we are going to learn about the scroller button. This button allows the users to scroll the value you want. Now let us see how does this work in Excel directly. First go to the insert and select on the scroll bar. It will be a top arrow and bottom arrow separated by a gap. And after clicking this, add the scroll bar. This is the scroll bar and you can move the bar for up down to scroll. Now how to use this in Excel? Click here and go to format control. In the format control, first of all link the cell. The next thing we have to going to do is adjust the current value. The current value is 100. The minimum value is 0, whereas the maximum value will be 2000. Let the incremental change be 10 and click on OK. So once you increase this, the value in the cells will also get increased. Now let us learn what I have done in this cell. You can see if we decrease the amount, it becomes bad debt, whereas if we increase it, it becomes payable. The formula for the cell is equal to if sum B4 to B7 less than E2 payable or bad debt. Then we are going to add under home conditional formatting of text. So in this way you can change the payable and bad debt upon increase and decrease of the count. Now let us see what exactly is the incremental value. For example, if we just click on the buttons, you can see it is only getting increased in tens. For example, 170, 180, 190, 200. Right? The next on this list we are going to learn is the clicker button. Now let us see what is clicker button directly in the Excel. A clicker button is used to increase or decrease the value just as the scroller button, but instead you will not be able to scroll but just click on the top arrow or the bottom arrow. Let us see the process of adding it in Excel. First go to the developer tab. Under the insert, click on the spin button. Then add the box. You can see there is an up arrow and the bottom arrow. If you click on the up arrow, the values will go up, whereas upon clicking the down arrows, the values will go down. Go to the format control. Let us see the current value is 2. The cell link is. Then let us add minimum value as 1 and maximum value as 10. And increment will be in change of 1. We click on OK and you can see once we click on the button, it goes to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And to the lower limit it goes up to 1. This is how to add the spin or the clicker button in Excel. That is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.